Hi everyone, I'm Joel from Joel Hood Property and welcome to 15 Fairway Parade in Peregian Springs. This golf course frontage, double-storey home is of grand proportions. With high ceilings, oversized bedrooms and large living areas, there are multiple spaces for friends and family to relax and enjoy. The large open-plan living, including a stunning new kitchen, flows seamlessly through to the generous undercover entertaining area, past the pool and onto the golf course. The home has been tastefully updated throughout and is exceptionally well zoned. It's rare to find a home with bedrooms of this size, as well as offering 3 bathrooms, of which 2 are en-suited. Thanks so much for watching. I highly recommend you come and see this stunning home for yourself. For those that are overseas or interstate, we're more than happy to walk you through the home virtually. I'm Joel Hood and I look forward to meeting with you soon.